Okay, the first stock on our radar is Lincoln Pharmaceutical. This one has gained about a good 7-8% on pretty large volumes. Mahendra Patel, the MD of the company, now joins us. Afternoon, Mr. Patel. Could you tell us, with this tie-up that you have done with US-based HBI, and what will it do in terms of the revenues for the company?
This is a wound care product. Basically, it is a biotech product. It is produced from collagen, and it's prepared in a shape of patches and granules. So it can be major use for wound care, burns and any type of wounds. Basically, it is used in that wounds, and this product is a very unique product, and it gives a good result to the patient. And with this product, we will be the larger player in the wound care treatment. And presently 1 or 2 companies are there, but our product is very good, and we aim that more than 80% stake of wound care we will receive by this product.
Mr. Patel, there is no doubt that this this tie-up will help, the patients. But for the company per se, what's the kind of revenue accretion that you see? When will you all start marketing these products in India? Will it happen this year? And the revenue accretion on account of this?
Yeah, revenue point of view, we will add our nearly 10% percentage of the turnover in terms of revenue, and profitability also we will add. It is a high profitable product, but we are not aiming more profit, but revenue wise it is a 10% addition to the company.
Right. Mr. Patel, can you just go through what the structure of this particular deal was? Did you all receive any sort of milestone payments at all, etc., and what exactly is the revenue share going forward?
For this deal is presently we are importing from US, and we are marketing this product, and slowly we will start manufacturing in India with joint hand with Human Bioscience. So in a second phase it will manufactured in India, but in a first phase it will be the product is import from US and will distribute and market in India. This is the system which we have designed.
Right. Mr. Patel, just coming down to one of your launches, you launched the Carborine injection, which is basically for ringing ears in India, and it's a very niche product which you all have launched. How exactly are you doing in terms of revenues, and what sort of scale up are you seeing within this particular drug?
This Carborine Tinnitus is a very new product, and it is a first time in India. So basically, particular revenue we are not able to tell you exact figure, but definitely there is no player. So we will be capture a big market in this area, because so many number of patients are there, but there is no medicine. So in terms of revenue, if we consider that at least 12 to 15% revenue we will add in this product as a turnover wise, if we consider, but it will increase very fast, because there is only one product which is our product is available in the market now. So this is our goal for this product.
All right, Mr. Patel, many thanks for joining us. So that is on Lincoln Pharmaceutical, and you can see